1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4.
I'm Michael Henry. I'm the composer, arranger, and vocal musical director on Barber Shop Chronicles. Bijan, the director, and Inua both thought, what can we do to make it different for transitions to the African scene? So I was called in to come up with a different kind of genre, a different feel that would work on the human voice to take us to each of the different cities in Africa. I'd find something that I could strip down to be used as a loop, just something that the guys could rhythmically chant as a turnaround for the transitions.
Hit, 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 nah, 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 hit it. Hit it.
The opening piece takes us to Lagos, and I specifically gravitated towards Afrobeat, really. A couple of aspects about Lagos and a few of the other transitions which are more energized, more rhythmically led, is that they're contrapuntal, which means the parts involved don't necessarily sing at the same time. They weave in and out of each other to create counterpoint. And in contrast to that, for South Africa, I wanted to go for the more of the choral tradition, like Ladysmith, Black Mambazo, and that kind of homophonic singing, which is where each part has a different harmony, but they all sing the words at the same time. So you get a very different feel, really, and a very different energy. Lagos ended up being divided into 6 parts amongst the 12 voices. The vocal percussion part in this case is a combination of bass drum, snare and shekere, which is a West African shaker. Another percussive ingredient particularly added to the Afrobeat arrangement is the clave, which is quite important in African and Latin American music. In Afrobeat, it tends to be something that just plays on the beat and drives the ensemble. Then you'd have guitars. Within an Afrobeat band, you'd have maybe 2, sometimes 3 guitars, where you'd have a main riff, and then you'd have an answer riff played in response to the main riff. The main riff started in the tenor part with a harmony, so tenor 2 would be the main guitar riff, if you like, and then tenor 1 would be a harmony on that. And then the baritone part would have something that is similar in feel, but then would actually sing in between the gap. It's quite useful to start on something like a rhythmic loop like Lagos to determine who could sing what part in something more choral like Tina Sizwe. Tina Sizwe, in contrast, is homophonic. All the parts sing the same rhythm and the same words, but they have different harmonies. Tina Sizwe, This is divided into 4 parts. You have the bass part, you have the baritone part, and you have the tenor 1. Underneath tenor 1 is really the lead part, which is tenor 2. The 3 people who sing the lead part actually split the beginning between them, so they all act as soloists. It was just a case of finding out who had a bass range to hold the bottom part, and on a more difficult level, who was happy singing on the break of their voice to actually take on the tenor part. I was very lucky that it was an equal split of 3 men per part, and they've done a fantastic job. Tina Sizwe, Esinyama, Sikalela.